Hello students, we have already studied about unit cell and its types. Unit cell, the smallest repeating structural unit of a crystalline solid, is called unit cell. Now today we are going to study crystal system. There are 14 types of different space lattices. Lattices are possible by a mathematical analysis. There are 14 ways in which similar points can be arranged in three-dimensional space. So these 14 lattices which describe the crystal structure are called Bravais lattices. So 14 Bravais lattices are divided into 7 crystal systems. First cubic, then tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, rhombohedral, triclinic and hexagonal. Here crystal systems: cubic, orthorhombic, tetragonal, monoclinic, then rhombohedral, triclinic and hexagonal. So they are Bravais lattices, name and unit cell structure. In cubic unit cell, it is of three types: simple or primitive, then body centered and face centered. In simple cubic cell, it has particles at the eight corners of that cell. So each particle is divided of its 1/8 portion at the eight corners. So 1 by 8 into 8 equal to 1. One particle is present at the eight corner of that cell. And in body centered, here particle is present at eight corners of unit cell. In addition, one particle is present at the center of the cube, which is not shared by any other cube. And then face centered, it also present at the eight corners of cell. It has 6 faces in addition to particle at the eight corners of the cell. So here in cubic crystal system, edge length is A equal to B equal to C. It is cubic, so edge length will equal A equal to B equal to C, and angle alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. Alpha is the angle between edges B and C. Then beta is the angle between A and C, and gamma is the angle between A and B. So here particles are present at the eight corners of the cube. In simple, then in body centered, at the corners as well as at the center of body. Then here face centered, particles are present at the eight corners of cube, as well as 3 particles are present at the 6 faces of that cube. At each face, it contributes half particle. means one particle is shared between two cube. Then second, orthorhombic crystal system has four types: simple or primitive, then body centered, face centered, and base centered. Here, edge length A is not equal to B is not equal to C, means these edges are of different lengths, but angle between them, that is alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. So angle is 90 degree, but edge lengths are different. Then tetragonal, here it is like extended cube, only edge length of C is different. Here A is equal to B, not equal to C, and all angles alpha, beta and gamma are equal to 90 degree. So it is of two types, simple or primitive and body centered. Then fourth type, monoclinic. Here A is not edge lengths, A is not equal to B, is not equal to C. So edge lengths are of different lengths, and angle alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. These angles alpha and gamma, they are of 90 degree. This alpha and gamma, these are of 90 degree, but beta is not equal to 90 degree. This beta is not equal to 90 degree. It is of two types, simple and base centered. Then fifth type is rhombohedral. Here edge lengths are equal. A is equal to B is equal to C. All edge lengths are of equal length, and angle alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree, but gamma is not equal to, here alpha is equal to beta is not equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. It is of only simple or primitive. Here particle is present only at the corners of that rhombohedral. Then sixth type, triclinic. Here A is not equal to B is not equal to C. It is just like this orthorhombic. Only this orthorhombic is like this. So here alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degree. Then seventh type, hexagonal. Here A is equal to B is not equal to C. C is of different length, and this length of hexagon are equal. So A equal to B, and height, that is C, is not equal to A and B. And here angle between alpha and beta, they are of 90 degree, but angle, that is gamma, is of 120 degree. It is of only one type, that is simple or primitive. In this way, these 14 Bravais lattices are shown in this diagram. These 7 crystal systems are shown in 14 ways. Like this, cubic has 3 types: simple, body centered, face centered. Orthorhombic, it is of 4 types: simple, body centered, face centered, and base centered. Tetragonal, it is of 2 types: simple or primitive and body centered. Then monoclinic, it is of two types, simple and base centered. Rhombohedral, triclinic, and hexagonal, they are of only one type, that is simple or primitive. In this way, 7 crystal systems are shown by 14 Bravais lattices. Thank you.